In 2005, Eaton introduced the Easy Box and Easy Trim, the first significant change to panel board boxes and trims in 50 years. In just a few short months, the Easy Trim was honored by the electrical industry with multiple Best New Product awards and acclaims across North America. Today, the best has gotten better, and Eaton has upgraded the existing offering with the next generation or next-gen Easy Trim. To understand the Easy Trim difference, let's watch a typical installation of a traditional trim on a lighting panel board. Cardboard coverings are no longer an acceptable guard for today's safety standards. With current OSHA regulations, live parts of electric equipment that operate at 50 volts or more shall be guarded against accidental contact by approved cabinets or other forms of approved enclosures. Depending on the size of the trim type, and experience of the installer, it may take several minutes to install and several more minutes to remove. Consider how many types on a typical job the trim comes off the panel. Those who are familiar with the Easy Box and Easy Trim know that they differ from competitive offerings and are designed with the help of industry professionals, including electricians across the United States. With the next-gen Easy Trim, Eaton has done more than just change the way the trim is mounted. This difference can be seen in almost every aspect of the design. Let's start with the box. Many traditional galvanized boxes are known to have sharp edges. The Easy Box is different. Eaton has eliminated virtually all sharp edges, replaced by rounded steel and a new, unique set of painted flanges on the top, bottom, and both sides. These painted flanges are designed to accept the Easy Trim patented design, which integrates features requested from the industry to increase productivity, safety, and security. The Easy Trim includes a laser-cut trim door, concealed hardware, and door-in-door construction. The next-gen Easy Trim also adds new metal door locks specifically designed for Eaton's Easy Trim. The new locks boast steel mechanism and trim door mounting. So what else makes the Easy Trim so special? The next-gen Easy Trim incorporates a unique design that allows the trim to be installed in seconds without the need for tools rather than minutes. And as you'll see, trim removal is just as fast. The first thing that one notices about the Easy Trim once it is removed from the box is the hangers on the right side of the trim. These hangers are what make it possible to install and remove the trim. The secret to a quick installation is the self-aligning feature and notch on the bottom hanger of the trim. With the trim at a 90-degree angle, perpendicular to the panel box, insert bottom right-hand trim hanger into the bottom right-hand box latch, resting the notch on the flange. Once resting on the notch, the balance of the hangers will align with the other box flanges. Now, simply slide the trim hanger into the flanges and push up slightly to clear the notched hanger at the bottom. The trim is now on the box and is self-supporting. You will notice that the trim hinges open and close just like any door-in-door trim, which is an option at an additional cost from competitors. With the Eaton Easy Trim, this door-in-door feature is standard. On the back left side of the new Easy Trim, you will notice several cleats affixed to the trim. These are especially designed to secure the trim and prohibit the trim from being inadvertently or forcibly pulled from the can after installation is complete. Just push the door closed, assure that you have a metal-to-metal contact using the palm of your hand, and gently push the trim up and to the right. Let the trim drop into place. The trim is now installed. On the right-hand side of the door, you will notice a sliding latch mechanism. This is the anti-lift mechanism. Additionally, on the trim door, you will find a cleat which pushes the latch into position. Once engaged, the anti-lift device prevents the trim from being removed when the trim door is closed. Every time that the door is closed, the latch is automatically engaged. This feature is only available on the Easy Trim. Once the door is closed, you're done. As you can see, there were no tools needed to install the trim. Now, let's look at real-time assembly of an Easy Trim. Think about how many times the trim is applied and removed in the process of installing a new panel board. In order to meet OSHA, state, and local safety requirements, this may mean 3, 4, 5 times before you're finished. How about for electrical inspection when required and the length of time it would take to go through this process with your local code official? With the Easy Trim, the amount of time can be significantly reduced. That's because the removal of the Easy Trim is as fast as the installation. To remove the trim or to access the door-in-door feature, simply open the door and pull out the anti-lift latch to its open position. Then, reverse the installation process. The door-in-door feature is automatically engaged. Removal of the trim is simple. Easy Trim is the most significant change to panel boards in the past 50 years. Saves labor, installs in seconds requiring no hardware, is safer, and eliminates virtually all sharp edges. Door-in-door construction and concealed hardware are standard, while quick installation and removal helps ensure panel boards are always covered. The award-winning Easy Box and Easy Trim are only available from Eaton and are here today as standard on all Eaton lighting panel boards. Try them on your next job.